Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing a full guide on how to send a live broadcast in direct on Instagram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Join the broadcast you want to send. Step 3. Tap the airplane icon in the bottom right of the live broadcast. Step 4. Tap Send next to the username or group you want to send it to. Step 5. Tap Done. The person you send a live broadcast to will receive a notification. Keep in mind that they must be following you to see the live video. Note: at this time, you can't send replays of live broadcasts in direct. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily send a live broadcast in direct on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.